I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
Hold on, is that Racky?
Reckless driving. Can I have your license?
Reckless, I wasn't driving.
Yep.
Yeah, can I figure out, can you tell me, can you explain how I was driving?
Yeah, there's witnesses that
What reckless driving where? I wasn't driving. I literally...
Okay, who's driving?
Nobody...
You're filming a video, he admitted that you guys are doing it.
Driving where? You mean in the parking structure?
Yeah.
So you mean the people that just pulled out are also reckless driving?
Anyone who was peeling their tires in your yard?
I was not peeling my tires.
Okay, what were you doing?
I'm going to get Wingstop because I'm hungry.
Okay. What'd you have to do with filming the video?
We didn't film a video here. We filmed a picture. We took a picture of my car. I just bought this car 5 hours ago.
Okay.
And
what was going on? Why were you taking pictures in here with it?
Because there's nobody around. We were literally at the very top of the roof taking pictures. There's nobody peeling tires. There's nobody squealing. There's nobody. In fact, actually, what's awesome?
He said they were.
He said you were.
No, we actually have proof that we're not.
Yeah.
Pull it up. Show the picture.
I mean, you have.
Like, go ahead. Pull proof. We weren't doing it. Pictures. Back window. I just bought the car.
It's in transit repair, right?
Yes.
This is not in transit repair.
Once again, I just bought the car. I put it back there. I'm literally waiting for the title.
I get what you're saying.
Yeah. I figured that was.
I could probably tow this out here for you.
I mean, I don't understand why you do that, but like I did. I put
that license plates are in transit repair.
I understand, but if you
transit repair means from wherever you bought it.
I put
not up here doing whatever you're gonna do.
You mean?
We heard you guys downstairs.
Well, okay. So what you heard was a welded differential. So nobody's squealing tires. If he turns, the car squeals because it's to be completely.
Yeah, that's enough.
It's a piece of shit. I mean, okay. I mean, sure. I mean, we have video proof.
It's private property.
We're literally leaving. We parked our cars, took a picture, and we're leaving. I don't understand what the issue is right now.
They called.
I understand they called, so we listened to them. We literally left when they told us to leave.
They said otherwise.
Well, we're leaving. You see us leaving.
Who else is with you guys?
I couldn't tell you. There's a bunch of people up there. There's literally it's a graduation week in Ann Arbor. There's millions of people.
It doesn't mean you can drive recklessly.
Nobody was driving recklessly. I have proof we weren't driving the car. Like, I literally can show you me coming in here. I don't even know how to drive manual. I learned today. So like me driving recklessly is probably the funniest thing ever. Like, we have video proof. It's fine. Like, it's literally fine. I put the plate there. I understand.
You can't drive this out.
It's a new car.
It's not private property now, but you can't drive it out. Yeah, you're not driving legally with the registration.
All right, fine. I'll park it and I'll get someone to tow it. Is that what you want?
No, hold on.
I'll call my tow guy right now.
Oh, they're gonna get mad though. I'm filming too.
All right, so here's the deal. All right, we're being confrontational about this. The bottom line is you're in this parking structure. You're not using it for what's intended purpose, is it? Right?
I'm not going to answer the question.
If it's a park.
No, I was parked.
No, you came up here to take videos, go on the top level.
Parked. I'm not trying to be confrontational. I'm just saying I was parked. I understand what you're saying. You're telling me I'm reckless driving.
I'm going to give you this opportunity. Okay? And I'm going to tell you why. Because you can't be in this parking structure. Neither can your car. Okay?
Don't say anything.
You can't drive on public street with that plate. Okay? So either you can cooperate, or the moment you take the car out of here, we will tow it and impound it.
Park it.
Now let's try again. You are in this parking structure for an improper reason, correct? It is to park.
Don't say anything. Don't say anything.
You are in here to park, all right? Playing some kind of game, correct?
I was not playing a game.
All right, we'll tow your car.
Okay.
You want to go that route?
I don't want to go that route. I just want to tell you, like, I truly
just can't admit that you came up here and you're doing something.
I told you we were taking pictures. I'll admit that. I just let me tell my side of the story. I'm not being confrontational. I'm just telling you. I came up here to take pictures.
I got it. You need to talk. I'm gonna tell you this. You need to listen for a second.
I'm listening, man.
You're in the parking structure, not to park and go somewhere. Correct? It is a parking structure so you can go in the city of Ann Arbor.
Don't say that.
Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand that.
Are you sure you understand that? Because you still seem to be confrontational.
Can I show you?
I don't want to have to tow your car.
No, I know. I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. Can I show you a text message that says
I
we
would
were
love-
planning to meet here to go to Slurping
I
Turtle?
would love to be able to talk for a second.
I feel like you have. Okay, go ahead.
All right? You came here to take pictures. You didn't go to Slurping Turtle. You're leaving, correct?
Because he told us to leave, so we
You're
left.
with a group of people, correct?
Yeah, he told us to leave, so we were leaving. Yes, correct. We were with a group of people. He told us to leave, so we got in our cars and we were leaving. Is
Would
that
you
not
like-
what you wanted us to do?
Would you like to leave with your car or not?
Sure. I mean,
Okay.
ideally, that's like the most ideal
We're
situation.
using the parking garage for its intended purpose.
We were taking pictures and then we were going to go get food.
It's
So
a yes
no,
or
we
no
weren't.
question. No, right?
Sure.
That's why we're in here talking to you.
Okay.
All right? It took a long time. I appreciate you finally admitting that, okay?
Sure.
This is not what the parking structure is for. You're not welcome back in this parking structure. Do you understand?
Understood.
Okay? Whether you're even using it properly. We are in here all the time because people peel out and they go to the top and they take videos, okay? And they use this improperly. You are not using this properly. This is a parking structure, not a picture structure, not a peel out a wheel structure. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. You can't operate your vehicle with that plate in the car the way you are operating that vehicle. Do you
Understood.
understand that?
Yes.
Okay. You need to get that updated, all right?
Yes, I have a plate on the way.
You have a plate on the way.
I'm-
Excellent.
yes.
Okay. Are we leaving the city of Ann Arbor tonight?
I don't actually know where we're going. I'm not the one leading, so I
I would
assume-
suggest you leave the city of Ann Arbor because every single cop in the city knows that you are improperly driving this